Namaskar friends, myself Vaidya Alka Gupta, and today in Satvai Ayurveda we will try to summarize causes of shoulder pain. Mostly shoulder pain occur due to frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis, but there could be many more reasons. What are these reasons of shoulder pain? What is the Ayurvedic treatment for all these reasons of shoulder pain? And what should be the precaution we should follow in case of frozen shoulder or other kind of shoulder pain. This all will be discussed today in this video, so watch the video till the end, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then subscribe to get more such informations. If one person has shoulder pain, then the regular routine is affected very much. That means the person can't comb their hairs or lifting anything from upside or moving their hand for exercise. Such kind of many activities are restricted. There are many reasons of shoulder pain which can be divided in three parts. First is injury. Patient come with shoulder pain after any kind of injury. There could be falling on the shoulder or falling with extended hand or heavy weight lifting or any kind of such injury where the overuse of shoulder joint or over movement of shoulder joint happen. In case of injury, there could be rotator cuff tear. To understand rotator cuff tear, you should understand the anatomy of shoulder joint. As the shoulder joint occur due to round circular process of humerus and the socket-like cavity, glenoid cavity of scapula. And around this joint there is a 3/4 ring-like structure formed due to four muscles, and acromion is called as rotator cuff or rotator ring. This rotator cuff protects our shoulder joint from displacement. Also it provides support in the movement of shoulder joint. So if there is any kind of tear in this rotator cuff, then the movement of shoulder joint is painful. The pain in this condition is always person specific because there could be a very small tear although the patient is complaining a lot of pain, and there could be a large tear although the patient is complaining only a very mild pain. So the pain in case of rotator cuff tear is person specific according to their bearability of pain. In case of rotator cuff tear, one should restrict all the movement of shoulder joint to support the recovery of tear. Also, we should apply such kind of formulation which will induce natural recovery of this tear. For this, we can use Dharasana Lep or Lakshadi Gugul or Chandan Bala Lakshadi Tel or Har Jod Churn for application. But if pain is not relieved after application of these formulation, then one should consult to a specialist doctor because sometimes operative intervention is needed. Frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis or avabahuk according to Ayurveda is the second most common cause of shoulder pain. This most commonly seen in diabetic patient and other kind of metabolic disorders like thyroid disorders or obesity or heart disease or the patient suffering from arm or regular indigestion. Avabahuk occur due to Vata and Kapha according to Ayurveda. And in all kind of metabolic disorder, usually there is vitiation of Vata and Kapha, especially due to indigestion which induce low metabolism or Agniman according to Ayurveda. In case of frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis, there are three phases of pain. In first phase, there is a very slight pain and very slight restriction in movement, and pain usually occur when there is indigestion or in winter season or in night time. But in the second phase, the most movements are restricted and pain occur mostly per day when there is any kind of movement or lying down on that side or if we ate something cold or stale food. But in third phase, even in the slight movement person feel pain. And also in third phase, pain is unrelated to any kind of season, day or dietary reasons. In case of all these metabolic causes of shoulder pain, one should use massage and fermentation according to Ayurveda. For massage, you can apply Ayurvedic oils or homemade oil can also be prepared for such kind of pain. For homemade oil, you can use garlic, dried ginger powder or turmeric powder boiled in water, and this decoction is boiled with the sesame oil, and after the all water is vaporized, then this oil should be used for massage, which is very beneficial in shoulder joint pain. Also, Ayurvedic oils like Mahanarayan Tel, Muruvena Tel or Sahachar Tel are also beneficial in shoulder pain. For fomentation, one can use hot water bag also. But there is Sashti Salik Swed or Patra Pind Swed according to Ayurveda are more beneficial. For Patra Pind and Sashti Salik Swed, there is a packet of cooked rice or the Vatanashak leaves of plants are prepared. These packets or potalis are applied over the shoulder joint, over the region of pain in a very specific manner, and after this treatment for 7 to 15 days, pain is reduced from 70 to 80%. If pain is not reduced by application of such kind of massage or fomentation, then there is another kind of fomentation is advised, because sometimes there is covering of cuff over the bath. So this kind of massage and fomentation does not work. So we should use alternate kind of fomentation with warm and cold water, which is also called Vyatvyasana. For this, you should take 1 bucket of cold water and 1 bucket of warm water, and one by one warm water and cold water should be poured on the shoulder. So this kind of cold and hot fomentation is also advised in shoulder joint pain. Except that Ghratpan, it means ghee ingestion after the meal, is advised in Avabahuk in Ayurveda very specifically. For that you can use cow ghee, Trifla Ghrat or Yashti Ghrat just after meal in 2 or 3 spoon, that means 10 to 15 ml amount every day. It will relieve the pain, and also it will correct the pathology of shoulder joint pain. Also, the Nasa treatment said in Ayurveda, in which the person have to lie down and the oil drops are administered in the both nostrils, is said to be very beneficial in adhesive capsulitis or frozen shoulder condition. For this, one can use cow ghee, Shadbindu Tel or Anu Tel for Nasya. Also, Vastikarma in Panchakarma is very beneficial, as it relieves Vata dosh from the body, which is actual cause of any kind of pain in the body. There are many kind of Ayurvedic formulations like Yogaraj Gugul or Amrutadi Gugul or Vatagajankush Ras with Shuntha and Aswagandha Churn can be administered with the proper consultation of Ayurvedic practitioner. In case of frozen shoulder, precautions are also very important. One who is observing shoulder pain due to frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis should not eat oily, fried, spicy food. Also, one should avoid curd or milk products, and cold, stale, uncooked food should also be avoided, like eating a lot of salad or sprouts should be avoided. Also, dietary product causing any kind of constipation like black gram should be avoided. Except that Suryakal Bhojan Vidhi, in which one should eat between sunrise to sunset, should be practiced so that digestion is proper and there is no Vata, Kapha, Dushti or any kind of indigestion. In case of frozen shoulder, if the person is observing constipation almost every day, then this person is suggested to take an Ayurvedic decoction which have dried ginger powder, fennel seeds powder and roasted cumin seed powder should be taken just after meal every day to avoid constipation. Because if one person is having constipation, then this kind of shoulder pain increases. Also, mild exercise is very important. For starting, you should start with very mild exercises, and all the movement of shoulder joint should be practiced. For that, adduction, that means inward movement, outward movement and upward movement, and also the backward rotation and forward rotation should be practiced. Initially, one will not be able to do smooth movement, but after applying all these set treatment, one will slowly see the improvement in the movement. Except that there are third kind of cases of shoulder pain too, when there is shoulder pain not due to cause within the shoulder, but sometimes due to cervical spondylitis, sometimes due to migraine. So in case of rotator cuff tear, apply the formulation to induce the recovery of tear. Also, if the pain is not relieved, then consult a super specialist for such kind of pain. In case of adhesive capsulitis, frozen shoulder or avabahuk, you should apply all these things which are said above, like snehan with oil, massage with oil, fomentation with sashti shalik or patrapind swed, nasya snepan, that means ghee ingestion, or Ayurvedic Vastikram Panchakarma or Ayurvedic formulation. In case of shoulder pain is symptom of other diseases, the base disease should be treated. So apply these suggestions, eat right and stay healthy. Thank you.
For queries and to know more about Ayurveda, write us and to connect with us, subscribe our channel. Thank you.